Welcome to Education Rocks Kindergarten to Grade 6 Student Learning Activities. Reduce hours of prep. Students not at grade level, nonverbal or speech-delayed students, emergency subplans, new grade or split grade, teach all ELA and math outcomes every day, personalize student vocabulary lists, dictionaries, and math skills practice, TpT Easel Activities and Assessments? Yes! Education Rocks is a ready-to-use, no-prep ELA and Math 180-day student learning program that spans the entire curriculum and is completely editable. Choose traditional and/or multimodal learning and response recording through video, audio, and digital tools. Subscribe on my website or at the end of the video to receive free resources you can try in your classroom today. This bundle is 45 days of student learning activities that span the entire ELA curriculum, every day. Embedded digital reading books and age-appropriate instructional videos are included on every page. Vocabulary words and letter sounds are hyperlinked for visual and auditory practice. Concise student learning outcomes are easy to read, refer to, and implement. Here is what one day of 6th grade ELA full curriculum looks like. Reading comprehension for nonfiction, such as predicting, inferring, reflecting, and summarizing. Reading comprehension for nonfiction, such as personal connections, perspective, supportive evidence, and genre identification. Reading comprehension for fiction, such as predicting, inferring, reflecting, and summarizing. Reading comprehension for fiction, such as form and features, subgenres, text structures, story elements, and personal connections. Nonfiction text study, using text structure, factual information, author's opinion, and accuracy of information. Poetry, such as figurative language, poetic structure, and creative expression. Dramatization, using figurative language, poetic structure, and creative expression. Listening and speaking with indigenous storytelling. Dramatization, such as persuasion, perspective, and relevant information. Dramatization using organizational writing, speaking, and video creation. Post-presenting by reflecting. Etymology, word origins, affixes and meanings, vocabulary, dictionary skills, and deciphering unknown words. Figurative language, Tier 2 and Tier 3 vocabulary, and descriptive sentences. Organizational writing. Proofreading and parts of speech, such as verb tense, subject-verb agreement, nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, and compound sentences.
There are 6 6th grade ELA units. This one is the word work or vocabulary and language unit plan. Units are excellent for morning work, targeted independent practice, and/or assessments.
Etymology, affixes, words and phrases, and dictionary skills. Figurative language, Tier 2 and Tier 3 vocabulary, and descriptive sentences. Access to 4,000 audio-visual decoding, segmenting, and spelling videos on my YouTube channel at Education Rocks, Inc. Create your own or purchase the completed resource. For independent daily practice, share a Google Slide copy with each student and delete and/or add words as you assess their word recognition skills. This bundle is 90 days of student learning activities that span the entire math curriculum every day. Embedded age-appropriate instructional videos are included on every page. Concise student learning outcomes are easy to read, refer to, and implement. Here is what one day of 6th grade math full curriculum looks like. Comparing and ordering numbers and addition and subtraction problems. Factors and exponents, multiplication and division problems, and proper and improper fractions. Multiplying and dividing fractions and ratios and rates. Algebra and geometric properties, such as symmetry and congruence. Cartesian plane. Units of measure with area and volume. Functions using dependent and independent variables. Data and visuals using frequencies. There are 14 6th grade math units. This one is the Ratios and Rates unit plan. Units are excellent for morning work or targeted independent practice. Ratios and Rates, using equivalency and proportion. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Excellent user-friendly format for both teacher and student. Editable. Over 200 digitally compatible Easel by TpT activities, and all are printable for traditional learning. Emergency sub-plans. We all need them. I've combined both ELA plus Math into a 10-day full curriculum lesson plan that is a ready-to-use package for your substitute teacher. Want to save money? Here is the mega bundle for ELA. Get all ELA unit plans for any grade level at 50% off the individual unit plan price. Want to save even more money? Here is the mega bundle for Math. Get all Math unit plans for any grade level at 75% off the individual unit plan price.
Shop at Teachers Pay Teachers. Use the URL below to follow me on TpT. Followers and new customers receive extra discounts. More exciting information included in the video description. Reach out at hello@educationrocks.ca. Have a great year!